What is up, guys? It's your girl and I am back with another video. So today's video will be a step through tutorial. Not really a tutorial because honestly I'm just showing you guys how I apply my wigs to my head. That's why I came here with the dinosaur effect on the scarf. Underneath here is some cornrows and a good old stocking cap, which you guys will see soon. So let's just get right into this video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button before we even get started. Make sure you like that video and leave a comment down below if you guys wear wigs or not, and if you guys are like trying to get into wigs. I do find wigs to be a great alternative, especially if you just like to switch your hair out, change your style, and protect your natural hair. Let's get right into the video.
Catch feelings, I catch flights. I'm pulling up in something that you can't buy.
Alright guys, so the wig that I'll be using today, I got it from Sam's Beauty online. You just type in samsbeauty.com. This is the Impress Lace wig from Sensational. Is how many inches? You guys, I don't know how long this is. It's the style Amani, A-M-A-N-I. I got the color 1B, and this will be fresh out the package. So I hope you guys can see this. And then I'll show you it outside of the box as well. I believe with this one, you can blend your own hair. And so let me just give y'all a real quick background. So I've had my braids in for about a month. I'm aiming for a 2-month process of having my hair braided without touching it. I touch my hair a lot. So I find that when I moisturize it, I can deep condition my hair with my cornrows. And I use leave-in conditioner as well on the days that I'm not washing, and I use a growth oil and like olive oil or coconut oil I use in my hair. I really love the wild growth oil. It's also on Sam's Beauty, but they are sold out and that hurts me so much. My goal right now is 1 more month, but it is August. It's August, so by the end of August I do plan on unbraiding my hair and washing it and doing a whole routine, and I do plan on using rice water. I may show you guys my cornrows. You can see the new growth, but I can sort of still see my scalp just a little bit, and I'm really aiming to have so much new growth to where I can't even see where the braid begins or ends. But like I said, I'll show you guys a real small glimpse of that. This wig was $32.99. I'm not sure if it was on sale. I did purchase another wig. That wig is on sale. You guys will see that wig. So it has a lace front edge, which I believe is just the tip of the front. What I was talking about, I'm sorry I'm talking in circles, guys. It happens. But I was bringing up the fact that my hair is in cornrows and how I plan on taking it out in another month or so, because I want to use this hair with my natural hair blown out and see how it blends, because this part you can cut it and blend your hair out in it. So I would love to try that out. This is how it looks outside of the package. You can kind of see that pattern. It looks very nice. Here we just have the colors that they have, the maintenance. You guys, it literally does not have an inch labeled, and I'm not going to stress myself trying to find it. So if you guys go ahead on Sam's Beauty, look up the Amani wig, and it's $32.99, and then maybe you guys can find it, but honestly I think it's probably like 22 inches or so, or probably 24. It has the net on it. I'm gonna go ahead and take the net off. It comes pretty well packaged and secure to kind of keep the wig's form. That's how the wig looks. So it's not virgin hair, but just rubbing it like this, I like it. I like how it doesn't get tangled just by me rubbing my fingers through. Here's the lace, and it comes with baby hairs pre-added. As I said, this is a synthetic wig. It was $32.99 on samsbeauty.com. The part is pretty deep, probably like a 13 by 6 lace. It's just the edge, as they said on the package. It's not much of a full lace wig. It's not a full frontal lace at all. But this part right here that you have the option to cut out and blend your natural hair with, it is provided with lace underneath. So really quick, I just want to share the maintenance details with you guys so you can kind of be mentally prepared what to do if you purchase this wig. You want to gently detangle the hair from the ends to the roots. Powder brush or a wide tooth comb. Turn the wig inside out and wet hair with lukewarm water from the top cap to reduce tangling. So you would wet the hair right here. You see my finger, it goes right through. So I want you to turn it like this and put lukewarm water inside. That helps keep the hair maintenance up and also stops the hair from getting tangled up. If you were to add water directly to the synthetic wig, child, I don't think it'll work out. So let's just not do that. Turn the wig cap back and repeat above steps with cold water when applying conditioner. Gently squeeze. So you can apply the conditioner directly to the hair, but kind of for obvious reasons, conditioner really helps with detangling and moisturizing hair more so than most shampoos. Pat dry with a towel. You don't want to roll or anything that'll cause tangling. Place the wig on a wig stand to dry. Use heat appliances when hair is completely dry. Apply a small amount of hair lotion or serum. So it's kind of straightforward. If you ever had a wig, then you kind of already know how to maintenance a wig. It's not that different than your real hair. It's easier to maintenance a virgin wig than this, because virgin wigs, you kind of don't have to like do all the other steps to protect the hair from tangling. If you have a good virgin hair wig, then you could just do it like you would do your natural hair. Wash, rinse, condition. There's so many things you can do. We have a comb right here, and this is the back of the wig. There's no combs on the sides, which is fine by me, and they do have the straps to get it nice and tight for you. So if you want to make sure that your wig is secure, you can tighten those straps up. Now for the fun part, which you guys probably came here to see, trying to joke on the system. What it's looking like. And I'm going to show you guys. You just put it on like a top hat. And you pull that joint up. I'm trying to get the lace, you guys. Oh my god. So this is sort of how the hair is going to look on my head. Okay. But we're about to get right into this video so you guys can see how I apply my lace wigs. And guys, honestly, this is the first synthetic wig that I'll be actually applying as far as spraying it down. I'll leave all the links down in the description box of the things that I used today. And yeah, let's get right into this video.
Knockout. You win. Fight. 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 You win. Fight.
Guys, so we are back and better than ever. The wig is on and it's applied, and this is how it looks. Super full, super big, and I mean, I'm sure I could get it even bigger. Like, it's crazy. I really like it. I haven't done big hair in a while. I've done natural curly hair, straight hair, body wave, of course, but if you've been following me and supporting me for a very long time, then you know what hairstyle I am talking about. I had Yiiikesssss extensions in that were like $100 and something, and let me tell you, I didn't even look as good as this. Now, I still don't know how long this stuff is, y'all. I have no clue how long this is. Horrible at that type of stuff. If I like, can you guys see me? It goes down to like the bottom of my back. The very tip of it goes down to the bottom of my back. I'm 5'5". So if you guys put those together, maybe you can figure it out. That's why I was thinking it's more so towards maybe a 24-inch or something, because baby, listen, this hair is long and it's full and it's soft. Thank God it did not tangle up on me yet. Hopefully it doesn't. I really hope that you guys like the method that I used. I did not use Got2b. I didn't use any gel. I used mousse and I used a holding spray, a melting spray from the wig dealer. I will leave her spray down in the description box below. You guys can definitely use the Got2b spray and the Got2b glue. I don't want this on all day. Like, I'm gonna wear it during the day, but I'm taking it off at night. So her spray and I think Got2b do just as fine too, as far as being able to remove the wig at night so you don't have to sleep in all this and get it tangled up. And I know you guys see this pattern popping. Again, this wig was about $33. This is a $33 wig. $3 wig, y'all. And I got it from samsbeauty.com. Definitely make sure you guys go check it out. I will leave it in the description box below. I'm very happy about my purchase. So far, so good. I don't expect this wig to last me forever, but if it does, shouts out to you, boo. Shouts out to Sam's Beauty. If it doesn't, then it is what it is. I really like it. Oops, I hit my laptop. I love this wig. So you guys will be seeing this wig a bunch more times. Tell me something, right? Let me know something. Do you guys like this wig? Is it cute? Is it cute but it's just not cute on me? Or is it cute and I'm cute too? Because I just want to know what y'all think. Please leave a comment down in the description box below letting me know if you guys are feeling this wig or not. Let me know if you had a wig like this, if you had this wig, if you're wearing wigs, if you want to wear wigs. All the links, as I said before, will be down in the description box. Yeah, I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video and found it to be very helpful to you guys. Please share with your friends and family and let them know how to easily apply a synthetic lace wig, and it looks good. Make sure you follow me on my social medias, which will be down in the description box below and also on this screen right here. Make sure you guys also check out SONDER Beauty Collection. That is my makeup brand, and I will be adding more items very soon. I have 3 pairs of lashes. I love you guys so much. Thank you for sticking with me, and I will see you later, Beauty Squad. Bye.